I'm going to Bologna, Italy because I'll be at Cosmoprof, which is a big event for the hair industry. And packing is always not the easiest, but I like to keep it simple. I always bring my juice, cleanse and condition, and then I put my vitality spray in a little sprayer because that's got to come with me. And then, so I keep it simple, Embellish Volume Cream, because that will do everything from curly to straight. Of course I have to bring Kitty because you like my suitcase, don't you? Because I actually love wearing jeans. I will wear one and bring only one. This way I'm not packing two because they're the bulkiest. So silky skirts are the best for packing, right? And they're small and I can bring 3 of them. And the cool thing is I can wear them in the day with a t-shirt, but then put a nicer top on at night with better shoes and dress it up for dinner. So it's easy. I have to keep my shoes simple. So I will wear my boots because it could be cool and they're bulky. And then I'll have a higher heel, right? So if I want to wear at night, and then a lower heel for the day. And then hopefully I could sneak my sneakers in as well. This way I'm completely covered in the shoe department. So I will literally do 6 bottoms, right, between skirts and pants. And then I'll do twice as many tops. I'll do 12 tops. Half of them will be like t-shirt, half of them will be a little bit dressier. And then this way I can make as many outfits as I want because I'm staying in the same color combos. I'll do a tan and I'll do a black purse, more of an out purse and a day purse. I may use this though as my carry-on. I'll put my purse in it, just a couple other things, but I'm gonna want this room for when I'm shopping in Milan. All right, for hair tools, I won't bring a dryer because your dryers will blow when you take them overseas. These 2 are dual voltage. My mini triangle and my mini go-go will let me do everything I want from curls to straighten to volume to fullness. The whole trip will be covered with these 2 tools.